How to turn off daily time limit on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for time management under the Preferences tab. Tap on the time management option you see there and then tap on the daily limit option you see there. Here, as you can see, my daily limit is set to 2 hours. So go ahead and select the off radio button and then tap on the save option you see there. And with this, your daily limit on Facebook will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off daily limit on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.